Hello there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I apply individual lashes. Obviously I already have them on, that's because I already filmed this video like a week ago or so and I forgot to film the intro, so here I am with my lashes on, or what's left of them. I think I'm going to do like a mini update at the end of the video, so watch the whole video. I think it's a short one. So yeah guys, I'm pretty happy with them, but I'm going to tell you more at the end of the video, okay? So quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm just doing this at home. I bought these products myself, so this is what I'm going to use in today's video: Ardell glue and individual Ardell lashes. So yeah guys, I'm not a professional. Please do your research before you apply them on your eyes. You don't want anything bad to happen with your actual lashes, so please do your research. And yeah, I'm not a lash professional, lash whatever, I'm not a professional, okay? So I'm doing this at home at my own risk, okay? So yeah guys, if you want to see how easy it is to apply individual lashes, then keep on watching. So I'm trying to go as close to my lash line as possible because I really want to have that area very clean, no makeup residue. So these are the lashes that I'm going to apply today. Honestly, I didn't pay attention when I bought this because they are all medium length, and honestly I wanted to have like short, medium and long. This is what I have, this is what I'm going to work with today. And also I bought the Ardell Dark glue, and actually I did apply individual lashes like a few years ago, and I used the clear lash glue that it came in a set. You can find this in a set with the glue and the tweezers as well. And that irritated my eyes so bad. Like, I only had those lashes on my eyes for a few hours because I had to remove them because my eyes were super sensitive, very watery, and I could not have the lashes on. So I really hope this glue don't make my eyes sensitive or watery. So I'm praying. I am going to start from the outer corners of the eyes, and as we can see I don't need that many lashes on the outer corners. I still have a lot of lashes on both eyes. I really need to focus mostly in the center and closer to the inner corners. So as I said, I'm going to start from the outer corner and slowly build the lash until I get closer to my inner corners. And honestly you guys, please do your research on this technique because I'm doing this at home at my own risk. And yeah, do your research before you do this, you know. So I'm going to pour some lash glue on this ColourPop lid, and I'm going to dip my lashes and then apply them on my actual lashes. And also I have my tweezers here. This is how the lash glue looks. I really hope it's not very watery. Oh, it's not watery, so I'm not going to apply too much because this will dry quick. So as I said, I have my tweezers here, and carefully, very carefully, I'm going to take the lashes out. Alright, I'm going to dip it in my lash glue. Oh, I think that's okay, a little bit more maybe. And I don't think you have to wait till this gets tacky because as we can see the glue is very thick, so I'm going to proceed with caution, okay? Alright, I have this little spoolie and I'm going to try to, I don't know, to see where I want to place this. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that the lash extensions that I actually have on my eyes, these are the C curve, and I noticed that these are a little bit more straight, they are not that curved, and I hope that's okay. And some of the lashes still have the glue that they are glued on the plastic. Make sure you remove that. It's very easy to remove it with the nail. You know? That's it. Alright, so I think the lash glue dried already. I'm going to gently brush them up with this little spoolie. Also, I had to redo like 3 lashes on this eye right here in front because they were popping off, and honestly, I don't know how durable this lash glue is. I haven't worked with this one before, but this didn't burn my eyes. My eyes are not watery, they didn't get sensitive, they are okay, and I really hope my lashes don't came off until tomorrow. I really hope not. Yeah, so I think I went a little bit crazy with the lashes because from far they look intense, but I'm not worried because they will fall off in time and it will look a little bit more natural. I really hope so. So I'm going to brush them up, and yeah, right here in front these lashes are a little bit too long for me, so I'm going to take my scissors and trim them a little bit to look more, you know, natural. But as I said, you guys do your research. I'm not a professional. I have no idea what I'm doing or what I just did, so yeah, be careful, okay? So as I said, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to trim a little bit them right here because they are too long. How the... Alright. Oh my god. I don't know how to hold my scissors. Be very careful with the scissors around the eyes, okay? Alright. Wow. That looks crazy good. I don't know how to hold the scissors. Like... So overall, I think I did better on my right eye. On my left eye, they look a little bit crazy. But it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, I'm not a professional, you know? Look at this one, it's popping off. It's coming off. Why would you do such thing? Like I just glued you. Look at this one. What? There are 2. Alright guys, so I guess that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, please do your research. I'm not a professional. I did this at my own risk. Okay, I really like the final result, and I know I said they are super annoying, but they are annoying when you try to do wing liners or try to apply eyeshadow, you know. I don't do that when I go to work. So this is super easy, like easy peasy for me to get ready for work. Okay guys, so the tea is, I really like the lashes, I really like the style. As I said in the video, I didn't actually pay attention when I bought this, because I thought in my mind, I thought that they are from like small, medium to large, like in the length, like the size. But no, these are all medium black, and they are all the same, so you can't go like from small to more longer and more wispy and more fluffy, because they are all the same. Wow, I feel like I'm not talking properly. Anyway, the glue had very good reviews on Amazon, and I'm thinking that some sellers pay for good reviews, because it doesn't make sense. This glue is not worth it. I think it was 8 euros. I love it that it's black, but this doesn't hold the lashes, and they are super like weightless, but this is not doing the job for me. I mean, at least for me, it didn't work. I'm on hunt for a good lash glue, like for individual lashes. So if you guys know any other alternative, please let me know down below, because I want to make this happen, because for work it's super easy to get ready. So yeah, this lash glue is not worth it. Don't waste your money. As I said, it wasn't very expensive. It was, I think, 8 euros or so, but it's not good. Like, it doesn't hold the lash. I just have to be very careful when I wash my face, when I remove my makeup, because if I get them wet, they will go away. So they will pop off, and I don't want that, because you know, I spent like 20 minutes applying them, and you don't want to put any liquids near your lashes because they will pop off. So as I said, I have to be very careful when I remove my makeup or when I wash my face, because these lashes will pop off, as I said. So this is how they look right now after 1 week or so. As I said, on this eye they are mostly gone. Like, I have like a few left. You can see I have like a lot of gaps. On this on this eye they hold a little bit better. So I guess that's it for this mini update. As I said, please let me know down below if you guys know any good lash glue for the individual lashes, because we are not friends. I'm sorry, but we are not friends. Also, I forgot to mention this, but if you want to remove individual lashes, obviously there's that solution that you apply and they pop off immediately. But if you don't have that at home, you can apply whatever oil you have, preferable castor oil, because that really helps the lashes to stay long and beautiful and fluffy and, you know, gorgeous. If you don't have castor oil, you can apply coconut, olive oil, whatever oil you have at home. You let it sit, like you apply that at the base, like where the glue is. You let it sit for a few moments and the lashes will pop off, and very easy. So yeah, that's my tip on how to remove lashes. But if you have that solution that melts the glue, well, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.